Traders need to be flexible in all type of market environments, whether bullish, bearish or flat. For option traders, multi-leg options can provide traders with ways to customize their strategies to suit their views on the market's direction. In this video, we will be exploring how to use multi-leg option strategies, which is very useful for taking multiple trades positions in option trading. Hi, welcome to Tradeplus, the pro trading platform from Tradeplus. The following topics will be covered in this video. What are multi-leg order strategies? Multi-leg order advantages. How to use multi-leg order in Tradeplus web. How to use multi-leg order in Tradeplus app. What are multi-leg order strategies? Multi-leg option strategies involve using two or more options in a single strategy and order. In multi-leg order, you can use a combination of buying and selling calls and buying and selling puts. You can combine all four core strategies using multi-leg options to increase the likelihood of success, reduce risk, and even improve execution quality. Advantages of multi-leg order. Multi-leg options simultaneously buy or sell options of the same underlying security. They offer traders three main benefits. Save time. Multi-leg options can save time in the fast-moving market. Instead of executing each leg of the options trade one at a time, traders can carry out the strategy with a single order and remove the time lag between each option entered manually. A slower trade using single option orders can increase the slippage as price changes between execution. Cost effective. Multi-leg options tend to be slightly less expensive than single option order because the proceeds the trader makes from selling options can offset some purchase costs. Flexibility. Multi-leg options give traders more flexibility in their trading by providing more tools in their toolbox to exploit bull, bear, and neutral markets. Traders can modify strategies to limit or increase risk, as well as maximum and minimum profits, allowing for a broader range of traders that can be tailored to a wider range of scenarios. Reduce risk. Multi-leg option strategies will significantly reduce the maximum risk and the margin required to sell an option for option sellers. In the case of put option, the maximum risk per share is the strike price of the option contract minus the premium received, which is released if the security falls to zero. Using a multi-leg strategy, investors can limit the maximum risk and lower the margin requirement of selling a naked call or put. To create a multi-leg option order, go to the settings menu and choose option chain. To begin searching for the script, to place a multi-leg, click on the search tab. You can change the expiry date from here. The spot price and future price of the script you choose is displayed here. Choose the strike price of the call put to place an order. You can place up to 8 legs at once. Then click on the payoff chart, which will display the overall view as maximum profit, maximum loss. From this payoff chart, you can also modify the order type, buy or sell. You can also check the required margin if you place a buy-sell strategy here, not including the buy premium. The other modifications like order type, market or limit, product type, NRML, MIS, and even you can modify the quantity. To delete any script from this payoff chart, click here. Finally, place the order by clicking on it. Select the option chain from the menu bar. Click on the search tab to start looking for the script to place a multi-leg. The script's spot price is displayed here and the expiry date can be changed. Choose the strike price of the call or put to place an order. You can place up to 4 legs at a time. Then by clicking on the arrow, a payoff chart will open, displaying the overall view as maximum profit and maximum loss. Place your order by clicking on it and then confirm your order. Hope you found this video useful. Tradeplus Online provides you an unlimited trading screens across all derivative segments at just $4.99 per month. So what are you waiting for? Open a free Demat cum trading account by just downloading our Rocket Plus mobile app from Play Store and App Store. Like, share and comment below. Thank you and happy trade.
Disclaimer. Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. The securities quoted are exemplary and are not recommendatory. Brokerage will not exceed the SEBI prescribed limit.